Dear students, today I am going to start exercise 6.12. 6.12 A part. In A part, first is 2 by 5 into 1 by 8. 2 by 5 into 1 by 8. So multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. So 2 into 1, 2 into 1 upon 5 into 8. Okay, 2 into 1, numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. So 5 into 8. So you can write 2 1 ja 2 upon 5 8 ja 40. Now again you can simplify 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. So it is 1 upon 20. So this is your answer. Okay. Second, 3 by 4 into 1 by 7. Similarly, multiply numerator with numerator, 3 into 1 upon 4 into 7. Okay. So it is 3 1 ja 3 upon 4 7 ja 28. Okay. So this is your answer. Okay. Similarly, you can do some parts. I am telling you fifth part. Okay. 1 by 5 multiplied by 3 by 4. Same thing, 1 into 3, 1 into 3 upon 5 into 4. 5 into 4. So this is 1 into 3, 1 3 ja 3 upon 5 into 4, 5 4 ja 20. So this is your answer. Okay, 3 by 20 is the answer. Now remaining parts are your homework. I am telling you 12 part. You try to do other parts because all parts are same. Okay. 12 part you see 15 upon 49 into 14 upon 45. So again 15 into 14 upon 49 into 45. So you can multiply or you can simplify from here also. 15 1 ja 15, 15 3 ja 45. So 3 here. 7 can divide 14 and 49 also. So 7 2 ja 14, 7 7 ja 49. So in this way 2 upon 7 into 3, 7 3 ja 21. So this is your answer. Okay. In this way you can complete exercise A part of exercise 6.12. Okay. Now B part, multiply. First part is 3 whole 1 by 3 multiplied by 1 by 5. Okay. So 3 whole 1 upon 3 means 3 3 ja 9, 9 and 1 10. So it is 10 upon 3 into 1 upon 5. Again in the same way, 10 into 1 upon 3 into 5. Here you see 5 can divide 10. 5 to the 10. You can write 2 into 1. 2 1 is 2 upon 3 is left here. So 2 upon 3. This is your answer. Okay. Now fifth part. Other parts you try. Fifth part, 15 multiplied by 1 whole 1 by 5. So 15 multiplied by 1 whole 1 upon 5 means 5 1 is 5 plus 1, 6, 6 upon 5. 6 upon 5. Here also 15 into 6 upon 5. Here you see 5 can divide 16, 5 can divide 15, 5 3 is 15, so 3 into 6, 3 6 is 18, so 18 is the answer. Okay. Now other parts you try. I am telling you 8th part. 3 whole 1 upon 5 multiplied by 3 upon 8. So 5 3 is 15 plus 1 16, 16 by 5 into 3 upon 8. Again do the same thing. 16 into 3 upon 5 into 8. Now here 8 can divide 16, 8 2 is 16, 2 into 3, 2 3 is 6 upon 5. So you can write 6 upon 5, or you can simplify it, you can change into mixed fraction also. 6 divided by 5, 5 1 is 5, 6 minus 5 is 1, so you can write 1 whole 1 upon 5. So you may write 1 whole 1 upon 5 also. Okay. So this is B part. Okay. Now C part. First is 3 whole 3 by 4 of 6 whole 2 by 5. So 3 whole 3 by 4 means 4 3 is 12 plus 3, 15, 15 by 4. Of means multiplied. 6 whole 2 by 5, 5 6 is 30 plus 2, that is 32 upon 5. Okay. So you may write in the same way, 15 into 32 upon 4 into 5. So here 5 can divide 15, 5 3 is 15. 4 can divide 32, 4 8 is 32. Now 3 into 8, 3 8 is 24. So this is your answer. Okay. Now again I am telling you fourth part. Other parts you can do. Fourth part is 2 whole 1 by 15 of 2 whole 1 upon 5. So 15 2 is 30 plus 1, that is 31 upon 15 of means multiplied by 2 whole 1 upon 5, 2 is 10 plus 1, 11 upon 5. 11 upon 5. Now 31 into 11 31 into 11 upon 15 into 5. Now 11 can be multiplied with 31. 11 1 ja 11, 1 carry 1, 11 3 ja 33 plus 1 34 upon 15 5 ja 75. Now you can write this, or you may simplify, you can change into mixed fraction also. Okay, 75 4 ja 300, and then 141 is left, so 4 whole, you can write 4 whole 41 upon 75. So this is also your answer. So any answer you can write, this answer or this answer. Okay, so that's all for today. Have a nice day. May God bless you all. Remaining questions you have to do in homework. Okay.